Frequent breaks, something that pretty much is against the hustle culture. I personally am not a hustler by any means. In fact, I feel hustle these days in a creative field is more harmful than helpful. But with that said, I completely admire people who keep on grinding week in, week out. I never felt I fit into this lifestyle personally, so I do need these frequent breaks once every 2 weeks, or else I get trapped into all the pathetic things around me. Not to mention that I am an overthinker, and seeing my channel not getting enough traction does get frustrating at times. This is why, to preserve my mental health, I take these breaks every once in a while, where I visit some of the places far from chaos, places which, without seeing anything, scream peace. I consider myself lucky to be born in the part of the country where I can still avail all of the richness of the nature. These lakes, the trees and the cold breeze all over makes me forget every single problem that I have in my life. May it be less traction, may it be a financial crisis, may it be broken bonds, everything. And I know I sound quite a lot cliche at this moment, but that's how it is. I like to embrace all these positive things around me. When I arrive at these places, I don't feel trapped, I actually feel more alive, and eventually I feel more creative. And the best part, these places, they don't change by themselves like us humans. And talking about change, as I am frequently taking these breaks, I am changing as a human as well. I feel more lively, and now I am almost always in a good state of mind. I now no longer feel exhausted while making videos. Every day I wake up, I feel like creating something good and valuable. Of course, not saying that I'm full of motivation 24/7. I do have those worst moments, but that's how it is with an overthinker. Hopefully with time I'll kill this part inside me, which thinks out of proportion. But for now, these places with cooler lakes, white sand and warm sunshine are my gateways to get a fresh perspective on things around me. Alright, so that was it guys. That was the video entirely shot on the OnePlus Nord. Now, a couple of reasons as to why I made this video. First one was to express myself. You would have noticed that by now. And the second one was because I wanted to shoot something on the OnePlus Nord. Because the phone has OIS, and I in the past have not really used a phone with OIS, so I just wanted to test the video capabilities of this phone. Now I know the video didn't really have any crazy transitions or anything that spectacular, but I think that was the point. I wanted to make a simple video conveying my emotions, and hopefully you guys get that. And secondly, before you guys start saying that I made this video all about myself, I would like to talk a little bit about the OnePlus Nord as well. Now 95% of the shots that you saw in this video were shot at 4K 30fps. Now under resolution, OnePlus Nord has this 4K 30 Cine option, which basically shoots the video in 21:9 aspect ratio, so that you get that kind of cinematic look. That's there. So I shot entirely in 4K 30fps, and most of the shots that you saw in this video were handheld. No gimbal or no stabilizer was used. In fact, I didn't even stabilize the clips in post. That's the kind of stabilization that you would get on the OnePlus Nord, all thanks to the OIS. And the colors were of course different. I did color grade the video. By default, the colors coming out of the OnePlus Nord, they are pretty vibrant and punchier. Now they're great. Most people are going to like that, but I, for this video, wanted a very moody kind of look, which is why I went ahead and color graded the video. But yes, apart from that, for one particular shot, I guess I did use a slider. So yeah, that's there. And apart from that, like, there's nothing in particular. All the sound effects that you saw, they were added in post and everything. And yeah, that's it. I hope you guys liked the video. If you did, be sure to leave a like, drop a comment, subscribe to the channel, and I'll catch you guys in the next one. Thank you for watching.